Yo, good morning guys. All right, it is day 11, skate across America. Where am I? I'm just outside of Columbus, New Mexico, heading towards El Paso, I think is like around where I'm gonna be finishing today. Yeah, super beat up and shot from the whole trip, but from yesterday specifically. Still got that Achilles thing going on, kind of flared up again towards the end of the day and didn't really get much better in the morning. But we should be all right. Big shout out to Adorama for helping me out with the trip, getting behind it, and I'm just gonna start rolling. Should be in El Paso later today, probably by afternoon, evening. That's a pretty big accomplishment for me. Skated from Venice Beach to El Paso in 12 days. Say, wait, today's day 11 or 12? I can't keep up anymore. I think it's day 11. Yeah, it's really a bummer about my Achilles, man. Hopefully I keep icing and it goes away. We did a premiere at, it's the biggest skate shop in Austin. No comply. They were amazing. We did a documentary premiere at the skate shop. I was in Austin and we went to the public library there and we got Pushing Through America, my photo book from my last trip in there. With the foreword by the Birdman. Still can't believe he wrote the foreword for my book, seriously. Oh my God, dude. I don't think you guys could hear it, but the wind is crazy right now. I think it's picking up. And with this ground, we ain't making no miles today. Unless something changes. Those are the things that make the trip interesting though, right? The fact that, you know, it sucks that I had knee surgery and tore my meniscus before my trip last time, and I did it with a torn meniscus. Now that story makes the whole thing even more meaningful, right? The adversity and the struggle and the lessons you learn and then powering through, and it shapes the whole story. Any lesson that I've ever learned that was painful that I can help other people with, right? And give them joy or make their lives easier is from like a painful moment that I went through, essentially. Well, people ask like how you deal with stuff on this trip or things, like how you handle this. In my mind, I'm not thinking, oh no, it rained today, like this is terrible, this is gonna ruin my day, I'm gonna be soaking wet, like why did this have to happen? I'm thinking that's awesome. I'm gonna skate in the pouring rain and have all this footage. Hey, how's it going? How you doing today?
All right. Where are you going?
I'm going across America to Jacksonville.
All right.
Yeah, I'm on day 11. I'll be very aware and I appreciate you, thank you. So yesterday, at the end of the day, after I shut the stream off, Danny hopped on my board and rode on the ground I was riding on. And he was just like, he made this disgusted face and he like couldn't even ride it. He was just like, my feet hurt for like 10 feet of riding on this. It's just, you try to get a little closer in there and you could see that's, you know, basically just rocks thrown on top. Look at this shot. Hold on. This is like a van commercial. If only that guy wasn't sticking his head out the window. No.
I saw you talking about
The ground?
yeah, and what I said yesterday.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
That sucks.
It's not that. I mean, this is worse than what you were on back there.
This is worse?
Yeah.
There's no way.
Yeah. Ride it.
The Crocs?
Yeah, well, are you gonna wear anything else really? Come on.
like rumbling.
Uh,
It's wild, man.
I think I'm gonna have to rotate them soon.
Wow, they actually are getting.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably wait till day 14 or 15, probably halfway. Alright. I think I gotta put on some sunscreen. You off the books. I'm doing the stream alone. You'll just be sleeping, go to the hotel, sleep in the van,
Yeah.
go to tacos,
Going
go to Mexico if we want.
I'm good. Want a hinge date?
Yeah, go on a hinge date. Any ladies out there in El Paso looking for a croc master? Oh yeah.
I mean, he's basically coming to a standstill after every time he's done pushing. So like 3 or 4 kicks and the board almost completely just stops moving and he has to push again. That looks absolutely exhausting. The thing about him is that he just doesn't stop. And if he chills for a sec, then he just immediately goes right back to it. I don't quite understand it, to be honest with you. It's just like an insane amount of willpower. How you doing, bud?
Maybe I shouldn't wear this hat. Because it's like,
Yeah, but you might lose that one.
well, it's got a drawstring, so I can just tighten it so my like your head's exploding.
I think it's about overcoming pain. I think it's about being able to push through the pain for him, to fight through the pain and not have to like, you know, succumb to it. I think that's like the bigger picture here. It's about doing something when people say you can't do it, when your body says you can't do it, when the elements say you can't do it. That's what this is for him. Hey, if it wasn't for Chad, I probably wouldn't be 3 years sober, and my life would probably be in a very different space. He helped me get out of like some really, really dark rock bottom states. I don't know. He's helped me a lot.
Alright guys, just hit 40 miles. There ain't nothing out here. That's where we're heading. Shout out to Adorama for the Belkin portable charger. A bunch of them, actually. You guys ready to fry with me? Let's do it. Good news is somehow, I don't want to speak too soon, but my Achilles actually feels better than it has all day. That's great news. At this point, the rest of my body feels pretty good ultimately. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I forgot the ground like this exists. Dude, I could push across America 100 miles a day on this ground. No problem. How are we doing? Yeah, thanks. I'm coming from Venice Beach, California. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, I'm going to Jacksonville, Florida, yeah. You heard? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm Chad.
Fabian, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Chad.
How long have you been doing this? Well, when did you start?
I started 11 days ago, averaging about 86 miles a day. Yeah. Trying to make it to El Paso tonight. So.
You're almost there.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Take care.
Have a good one. I was going to say need to inspect my board, but I didn't want to run the same joke as last trip. You guys might not know this, but I manage a food truck in Long Island. Yeah, prepare the food, cook, and Go out in the truck, serve everyone. Place called Swell Taco. They've always supported since day one, you know. I was basically unhireable when they hired me, you know. Yeah, they gave me a chance, worked my way up. Then I did the 50 Tricks, 50 States challenge. They did this thing called Churros for Chad. And so customers could order the special churros. And I think half the money or whatever it was went to my GoFundMe to help fund that trip. And then the next was the Skate Across America, and they did the El Chad Taco. It's like a guajillo beef taco. So they've always supported since day one. Hey! How's it going? Oh, thank you so much. Whew. How are you?
Good, good.
Nice to meet you. Wow, thank you so much.
We heard you're from previous teacher from
Hi, I'm
Seattle.
Chad.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Old teacher told her.
Oh, really?
Polly, yeah.
That's
Mr.
amazing.
Myers.
Really, Mr.
Yeah,
Myers?
you guys-
That's
you gotta put it
amazing.
on there.
Hell yeah. Thank you guys. I
Told us.
appreciate it.
How long you been doing it?
I started 11 days ago.
That's what it was. Okay, yeah, that's when he texted.
Venice Beach.
That's awesome.
On, what is it? I don't even know. Mile 63 today?
Is that right?
Yeah,
How far are you going today?
I'm trying to make it to El Paso.
Oh, you're not that far.
Yeah.
Right around the corner, take a left. It's all downhill.
Oh, cool. Oh, nice.
Good luck out
Have
there,
a great
man.
day, and I
We'll be in
appreciate you
touch.
guys coming out. Thank you so
keep
much.
following you.
Thank you. Bye. Nice meeting you. I've been going at this for 13 hours and 50 minutes. And I'm only at mile 63.7. It's just about the hours, right? I'm basically doing 14 to 16 hour days, sometimes 12. Like, as long as I put in the hours, I can't really control the terrain or like the elements that much. You know, so if I'm putting in the hours, it is what it is. Feel good about it, and then I'll reassess and make a drastic change if I need to hit the 30-day mark. That's just the goal, like an arbitrary number. I like going after them because it's fun, interesting, but it's about the experience, pushing through stuff, and all the people you meet. Record or things like that mean nothing, literally nothing. Those experiences, though, they live with myself and other people forever. That's amazing. He's got the Pushing Through America book. Hey,
How's it going? You don't have to sign it. You already signed it. I bought a signed copy.
Hey, thank you so
I just
much.
thought
How's
I'd
it
flag
going?
you down with it.
Hey, thanks for coming out. How are you? I'm
we
Chad.
take a picture?
Yeah, yeah.
My wife was all excited to
Oh yeah, I'm good. You guys came out.
super sick, and we saw that somebody else stopped you, so we won't keep you. I know that like.
I've had a long day. I'm looking forward to these
So
stops.
check it out.
Yeah,
We got waters for you, whichever
Cool.
one you want.
Go to this guy right
And,
here. Thank you.
Apples, grapes.
What do we do? Could I just
and-
do a couple of grapes and keep it light? That
Yeah,
sounds really
absolutely.
nice. Yeah, yeah. Nice and cold too.
Yeah,
they're
they're
cold.
not
I don't care.
fresh, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, that's awesome. You guys from the area?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're like 10 minutes away, but we're on
Nice.
the El Paso side.
Oh, okay.
Like the last street before New Mexico.
All right. Hopefully, I make it there.
Yeah, we're excited for you, man. Like it looks like it's been like almost 14 hours now.
Yeah, yeah. It's a long
so
day,
we won't
man.
keep you long, but it's super cool to meet you. I've
Yeah.
been following your journey.
Oh, thank you guys for coming out.
I
and-
watched the 50 Tricks in 50 States.
Okay,
I
OG,
watched
nice.
you push through 3 years ago.
Yeah.
So we've been following you a long time, and we're both sober. So
Oh, nice. Congratulations. How long? Roughly.
14, 13
Yeah.
years.
Wow, that's
13,
awesome.
14, yeah.
Congratulations. That's
Thanks,
awesome.
thanks.
Can we get a picture real quick?
Definitely.
Sweet.
Thank
How's
you
the board
guys so
holding
much.
up?
It's holding up.
Alright.
Back wheels are starting to get a little
Oh,
chunky,
you
but
painted it black again.
yeah, we'll see.
Well, good, man. Take
Hey,
care.
thank you guys so much,
don't
and
wanna keep you-
thanks for
I wanna
picking
get
up the
along
book too. I appreciate that.
Not far from civilization.
Okay, good. It's been a while.
Yeah. Take
Thank
care.
you. Time to hang a Louie. We're turning. I haven't felt this in days. Oh yeah. Rock How's it going? Chad. Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out, man.
For sure, man, for sure.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
First time in El Paso?
No, I came through in 2023 when I skated across America, yeah. Route 9 is brutal. It's got chip seal ground. You don't really feel it on a bike, but yeah, it slowed me down pretty bad. And I had a headwind all day.
Yeah.
Storyteller Overland sponsored the trip. They were like the first sponsor. So they gave us the van, and honestly, the trip was such a monster to plan, like, and try to figure out everything. I didn't realize how important having that vehicle was. With the shower and like the sink and
Last time you didn't have a trailer, right?
I did it solo. Yeah.
That's the mighty Rio Grande.
There you go. If you guys ever wanted to see the Rio Grande. I think we might have entered Texas a while ago. Oh. Oh, okay. You're right.
Same set you started with?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They're getting a little chunky, but
Yeah. How many times do you have to replace them last time?
0.
Was that 0?
Same set the whole trip, same bearings, same wheels.
So,
Skated through the rain. Yeah. We'll see. I'll see if they make it, but I'm not fully committed to it. Oof, hey, thank you for riding those miles with me and hanging out. That was awesome. Yeah, 100%. Okay, guys. Strong finish there. That downhill was super helpful and relaxing. Just hit 74 miles. I feel good about that. I think at 70, I was like, but those last 4 kind of helped me round it up a little bit closer to the average. Oh, I'm sure I said this 100 times throughout the day, but that was just a grueling day. Absolutely brutal. Didn't think I was making it over like 50. So, feels good to be here, but I got no more time to yap. I'm just gonna go do my laundry and get some rest. So, see you guys in the morning. Peace. Thanks for everyone for hanging out.